This is always a good view when the camper is hooked up to the truck. Praise the Lord. What does yours think?
What are you trying to pull with all them maneuvering?
I should have just pulled in straight.
Yeah, I know. Sound good.
This way and then.
Good. It's the day. Wah, 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 wah.
It's going to be a video to remember. Uncle Matt are headed to try and get me to focus. Oh my goodness, I wasn't even paying attention to driving. Me, Take Two, and Uncle Matt are headed to the woods to hunt day 1, 3 o'clock. Temperature. And I need to see that one yet. Temperature's dropping all day. Winds are finally out of the north, and it is fantastic. What can you say? We'll catch y'all on the tree stand. We're going to go 2 separate locations tonight. Pray for the best. Pray for the best. Let's do this. What are you going to say?
It's so bouncy.
We do better. First here at Reform. It's 3:27. A little late getting in. Not too bad. We set up. Took us a little bit longer than we kind of had hoped for. It's going to be fun tonight. Temperature's dropping. Wind is 10, 15 maybe miles an hour at most. It's October 31st, and what more? My goodness. Just praying that it's such a good trip. These temps have changed drastically. Hunting right by this little pond area. There's a little bit of a clearing back here. Pond, of course, and it's nothing but woods back here. Praying that tonight's the night that man, he comes through the buck. But we're excited to be here at Reform. But looking forward to just a great next several days of hunting. God's good all the time. And hopefully here on Free to Climb, we're going to make it happen. So, let's go.